Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. This is the place where we turn houses into homes with practical, beautiful design. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest design challenges in modern homes, the open concept. Specifically, how do you take a living room and a dining room and make them feel like one cohesive? The foundation of a blended space is a unified color story. You don't want a red room next to a blue room. Instead, choose a neutral base for your walls, think warm whites or soft grays, and then pick two accent colors that appear in both zones. Maybe it's the brass legs on your dining chairs echoing the brass floor lamp in your reading nook. Or perhaps the navy blue in your area rug is picked up by a piece of art hanging over the dining table. These visual echoes tell the eye that these two spaces belong to the same family. Now, let's talk about floor plan geometry. Without walls, we use rugs to create boundaries. A common mistake is using rugs that are too small. For the living room, make sure at least the front legs of your sofa are on the rug. For the dining room, ensure the rug is large enough that chairs stay on it even when pulled out. By leaving a walkway of bare floor between these two rugs, you create a natural hallway without needing a single brick. To keep the room from feeling flat, you have to play with height. If all your furniture is the same level, the room feels like a sea of legs. Try a tall bookshelf or a large potted tree in the transition zone, that space where the living room ends and the dining room begins. This adds a vertical element that draws the eye upward and breaks up the horizontal line of the sofas and tables. It's about creating a landscape, not just a floor plan. Lighting is your secret weapon for mood. In the living room, you want layers, a floor lamp for reading, maybe some LED strips in the shelves. But the dining room needs a focal point. A stunning pendant light or a modern chandelier hanging directly over the center of the table acts like an anchor. It tells your guests, this is a specific place for gathering. When you dim the living room lights and keep the dining pendant on, you instantly shift the vibe from movie night to dinner party. Creating flow isn't about matching everything perfectly, it's about finding harmony. Use color to connect them, rugs to define them, and lighting to give them personality. I hope these tips help you feel more confident in your space. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a transformation. I'd love to hear in the comments, what is the hardest part about your current living dining layout? Let's chat down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.